Hey, 10th grade. So today we are moving on to our next slide, and I just want to show you this slide really fast. Friday. What is genetics? All I did was I made my words a little bit bigger, and I added space in between the lines to kind of fill out my slide. So if you want to do that for yours, you can too. It just makes your slide look more interesting, like it's taking up more of the space. So today we're working on what are traits, genes, and alleles. And I'm working in a PowerPoint presentation, so I want to make sure that I use bullet points. So I'm going to start with my bullet points, and I'm just going to highlight the title or connect my information to the title. So maybe I'll write something like, what are traits? And then I'll press enter and the second bullet point will show up. But I want information that's talking about traits. So I'm going to press tab and it indents the bullet point. So now I know that all of this information are all about traits. So let me move my picture over here for a second. I went to my search engine and I typed in what are genetic traits, and I went to this website, sciencing.com, for what's a genetic trait. And they had this paragraph. Genetic characteristics are the traits that you inherit from your parents, include your physical structure, your biochemistry, and to some extent your behavior. And so this is a great definition of what genetic traits are, and it's very easy to break it up into bullet points. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go back to my presentation and paste this. And then I can make these both sub points. And I can do my shift quotation marks. And I can fix my grammar here. And this is where I'll add my site. So I've already used one website, so this is my second website. So I'll put a 2 here. And I'll come down to my works cited slide that I created on the first day. I'll make a number 2, and I will copy and paste this into my works cited slide. Okay. I'm going to keep trying to do this for this whole video, but if I run out, I'll definitely make a part 2. So I'm going to do Shift Tab, and that's going to take me back to my original bullet point. Next thing is, what are genes? Mark. And I'll come back over here. Okay. What's a gene? Okay. And as soon as it loads, let me close some of my tabs so maybe I can speed up this process. It's a unit of hereditary information that occupies a fixed position on a chromosomes. Awesome. So Control C. I'll put this here, press Enter, press Tab, and Control V. I'll use my quotation marks because these aren't my words. And I'll cite my evidence with parentheses, a 3, because this is my third website, and the colon. And I can come down here in my works cited. And I can cite my website. Okay, so we only have about 17 seconds left. So your assignment for the rest of today is to finish this up by talking about alleles and then citing your evidence. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye, guys.